Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you exactly what you need to do to fix Xbox game bar not working or not opening. So if you have any other problems with your Windows 11, please let me know in the comments down below and I'll create a video for you. And now let's jump right into the video. But before doing so, don't forget to try all the methods, watch this video till the very end and try every method I'm showing you here. So because there's no certainty, I don't know exactly, there's no computer with exactly the same structure, so that's why you need to try, because for some users, for some people, method 1 worked, for the others method 2 worked. So please try all the methods and watch this video till the very end. And now let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that you need to do, so here what you need to do is to go to settings, and here in settings what you need to do is to go to gaming, and here in gaming we have Xbox game bar, and please enable open Xbox game bar using this button on controller. So enable if it's turned off. Now let me show you the next step. Okay, this is the next method. So go to apps, and here in apps please go to, so here please select install apps. You install and manage apps on your computer, on your PC, and here please write here in the search bar, please write Xbox, and here we have Xbox game bar. Go to these three dots right here, tap on these three dots, and here select advanced options. And here in advanced options, scroll down and until you see reset. If this app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. So please tap on repair. Now please try and test to see if it works, Xbox. If it doesn't work, now please follow along with me and let's try the next method. Okay, so the next step is to simply now reset the app. If this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. So tap on reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So tap on reset. And now if you want the shortcut, if you want to open Xbox game bar, just go Windows logo key plus G. Now if you have tried all these methods, and it still doesn't work, please follow and try this last method. So what you need to do is to go to this search and go here and write Windows PowerShell and run it as an administrator. Perfect. And here you need to write this following commands. The first one, enter. Alright, the next one, okay, you need to wait, and the second one, and that's all you need to do. Now if you want to reinstall the Xbox game bar, what you need to do is to go to this icon, and here please write Windows Microsoft Store, open Microsoft Store, and here in Microsoft Store please go to the search bar and here write Xbox game bar and tap enter, And here the first result is Xbox Game Bar, and please tap on the install button. Please do so. And now it should work fine. You literally just reinstall the app, and if there were, and probably there was a bug, a problem with the app, now because you reinstalled this app, now probably it will work for you, and hopefully it will work. I hope. Let me know in the comments down below, and see you guys now in the next video. Take care and drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Take care.